How can you improve PPC conversion rate? That is the next question. So conversion rate is really interesting. When you're asking about conversion rate, we have to think of conversion rate. Is it something that is because of bad strategy or not the correct strategy? Or does it have to do with the product? And let me tell you in more detail what I mean. It can be conversion rate on the ad side. We are going to prioritize advertising, right? We want to assure that whatever we're targeting in our PPC campaigns, it's the highest likelihood for someone to look for our product and purchase our product. Why I'm saying that is because I got a very similar question last week. They were asking the same thing, like, how do I know if it's a listing optimization issue, keyword or PPC related or something like that? And my first thought process, it was, you first have to assure that if you already have the product, let's say this is my product, if I'm going to advertise for things that are not relevant to my product, giving you an example, this is a black cat mug, this is a more Christmassy item. If I'm going to advertise for this one, it's totally not relevant, no matter how good my listing is, because it's going to be irrelevant to whoever is finding the product, clicking on it. They were not looking for my product. First off, we want to assure that on the advertising side, we maxed out for a product to be convertible. Let's put it that way. Then the next is going to be, all right, now that you maxed out on the ads side, next you're going to look into, so from all the keywords that I am currently targeting, let's say you have your top selling keyword, you would go into your search term reports, you would download that search term report. Ideally for the past 30 days, you would find the top 5 keywords that brought you the most amount of orders. Those can be keywords like search terms, those can be targets like ASINs. Look it up and see why are you converting. It might be that you have a better price, you have better shipping available, you have even like more inventory available, because usually Amazon is going to promote your listing over someone who has like 3 more items in stock, right? Because of geo-targeting. So that's why I'm saying, first off, assure that on that end you are set up properly. The next thing is conversion. Take the same keywords and then you would go in, see, okay, other products that are going to sell with the same keywords that I am selling with, or I have orders with, what are they doing differently? It can be that you can increase your conversion rate on the PPC end just because you're going to improve your listing. So you would look into the keywords that are bringing in the most traffic, and then you would go into incognito, type that search term, see which products will show up in search results, and then you will see, all right, how does my product compare to those other products? Maybe you have one picture and you still convert like, I don't know, 10% conversion rate. Someone else has 5 pictures, maybe has A+ content, maybe even has a brand story. And then you will see, okay, so if it would come down to me, would I buy my product or would I buy theirs, And then you can implement, maybe add more pictures that showcase the benefits of my product. And then you're going to look into conversion rate, right? So those are the first things, Amazon PPC and then listing. Something else that can increase conversion rate once you nailed the PPC, the first thing that I would be optimizing for is the main image, because that is going to attract more eyeballs, more clicks.